Right, today we're gonna talk gardening. So my refrigerator in my workshop stopped working, and rather than throwing it to the dump, I decided to use it and make a bed so I could plant my vegetables. So come closer. It's gonna be a self-watering bed, and in it, as you could see, I got pipes, 4-inch pipes, and they all have holes. 4-inch pipes in the bottom. They're gonna be a reservoir, so all that will be filled with water. I got an overflow right here and another overflow right here. So it's gonna be about 4 inches of water in this reservoir. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be putting an old piece of rug over the pipes. This is just an old piece of rug over the pipes. Another piece of rug over the pipes. So what's gonna happen is the reservoir gonna keep this rug moist all the time with water, and the roots is gonna feed from that wet rug, and hopefully I don't have to water that often. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, this is just topsoil. I'm gonna start filling it up with topsoil. I never buy soil. I just use what I have. Then I'm gonna put some layers of cardboard in the bottom as well. All that's gonna decompose. All that gonna turn into soil. Some cardboard and paper and all that stuff. I'm adding some more soil. And then I'm gonna add some grass. That's just some grass trimmings. Sorry. Now I got some grass. I'm gonna be adding some more dirt in it. Soil. Now I'm gonna add some green stuff. This is all just cuttings, old palm flowers. I got some. I saw some trimmings. All trimmings. Got another bucket here. All green stuff. I'm gonna add some more soil on that. All that is gonna break down and turn into soil. I got some more green stuff to add. Some aloe vera. And some aloe vera that I cut up. Some more aloe vera. I'm just gonna chop it up in here. All that is gonna break up and turn into compost. What else I got? I got some dry leaves. All that goes in here. And then I throw some more soil on here. I'm gonna put another layer of grass. All grass trimmings. All that will break down. And the next time I turn this to replant, this is gonna be rich. Look at what. You can show me. Now I got another layer of grass in here, grass trimming. I'm gonna just use the rest of my soil. The important thing is this is level. I use a level and it's level, so it's gonna have a level. It's gonna have a reservoir. And my plant is gonna feed from that reservoir. Okay, good pause. So for the final layer, what I'm gonna do is I have topsoil mixed with some compost from my compost bin. Come closer, let me show. This is my compost bin where I throw all my clippings, stuff from the kitchen, all cuttings. I throw in here and I let that rot. And I got 2 buckets of compost mixed with some topsoil. Check it out, nice and rich. Compost mixed with some topsoil, and that's gonna be the top layer right here. This time of the year, we are approaching summer and it's just too hot to plant in those tires over there. So I figure I could plant much longer. Last year I stopped planting my vegetables by April, May, it was just too hot. So this year, I'm hoping to go all summer planting. Get couple more refrigerators, old refrigerators, and recycle them into a self-watering bed. So this is it right here. It's all filled up, and over time the stuff below is gonna rot, turn into soil, compost, and it's gonna sink down a bit. But it's ready to get planted on, since I have a nice mixture for the top layer, nice mixture of topsoil and compost. That's where I would be watering it from to fill up the reservoir, either here or the other end over there. But for now, I'm gonna plant some lettuce to get started. So here we are, planting some lettuce, some romaine lettuce. Transplanting. That's quite a few. And it's good for my back. I don't have to do all that bending. This I found in the bin, and I figure that's a good piece of material to cover it during the day when the sun is really hot. So it's some kind of shaded material for a house or a porch or a boat, whatever it is. But this is I'm gonna cover this, and eventually I'll build a little top for it with some PVC and put this right over it so the sun doesn't really beat up on my plants. But for tomorrow, since freshly transplanted, I'll keep it covered. So let's plant a seed, my fellas. You gotta learn to feed yourself. Let's take a walk down there. It's getting dark, but I gotta water the plants. I got some nice lettuce there, but pretty soon I'm not gonna be able. Put the camera on. Pretty soon I'm not gonna be able to plant in those. It's just gonna be, it's out in the open, and it's gonna be just too hot. Check this out. That's dinner. Adios.